Okay, I'm going to turn on the machine and show you how quick it boots up. And then I'll bring the camera closer, show you it run. So with the update on the computer, it's actually a complete new computer. It's not just an update to the board, it's a new computer. So it's booted up already. Reset. I'll home it. So now it's going to home. I'll come grab the camera now. Okay, so it's finished homing. I'll move the table around a little bit for you. And I'm sorry I'm so close, but that's just the way this videotaper runs. There's the Z-axis. Here's the Y-axis. Nice and quiet. Z-axis. Just normal servo noises. I will run my program for you that I have. It's called a start warm-up program. So over here, let's go back to the normal screen for you. Some start here, hit run. I already have the program in it. Start. Ask me for the tool. And now it's going to go. So there's the program it's going to do. It's going to interpolate a circle, and then it's going to do a frame of a square. So you're hearing the spindle at 2,000 RPM. And it's got a tool in it. It's just a drill bit. And the table's running right now. So it's doing this circle right now. And first I'll run the spindle up for you so you can hear the RPMs. This is 2,000 RPM, 2,200 RPM, 2,400, 2,600, 3,500 RPM. I never run it that high. And I'll take it down, 1,400 RPM, 1,200 RPM, 1,000. All the way down, 400 RPM. So I'll shut the spindle off so you can hear the drives running, and you can't hear them. They're silent. So the table's running right now, still. Nice and quiet. Over here on this side of the machine, I have the mister assembly where you fill the housing. It's full right now. It's got an air regulator on it. And then on the side of the machine, it's got a metering block right here with an adjusting knob, so you can limit how much flow goes in for oil. There's one on each side of the machine. So there's another block over here. The light, of course. I never use the back gear. Back here I have the pneumatics. Big gauge on, easy to read. Lubricant. Still running the program, the warm-up program, so it's cutting a large frame of a rectangle right now. So you hear how nice and quiet that is. I'll stop it and show you the movement in the drives. No movement. Let's see, unlock. Okay, so I've turned off the drives. And just to show you, I don't know what you can see here, but it has no play in the Y direction, And on the X direction, it's the same thing. There is no play. No play at all. You can see the numbers. I can move it one way then the other just by a flinch. So I'll turn the manual off. And then, just to show you another thing over here, this is where I have the USB port, where the C drive used to be, or the A floppies. So now it's, and then here's the communication cable, if you want to communicate with it, which I've never used. So again, the machine, it is a used machine. I'm using it still. So there are metal shavings on it, which I'll have cleaned off when it goes to leave. But you can plug a keyboard into the side if you want over here. And you can see the controls in really good shape. It's not all scratched up, beat up, or anything like that. Nice flat screen, good video quality. Has tons of room in the RAM for memory. Just to give you another view of the machine. It does have the tool changer, which is in and out right here. Works perfectly. It's on the top. Right now I've got a balancing apparatus attached to. I've balanced some crankshafts on it, and you can see I don't do